Hello everyone, I'm again here with the last video on We Are Not Afraid to Die, if we can all be together. So students, I have taught you up to here. Yes, up to here we have done. So we are to proceed from here. While I was thinking, Stu moving painfully joined me. When he was making the calculations and thinking about that, Sue came to him. Sue joined him painfully. The left side of her head was now very swollen and her blackened eyes narrowed to slits. उसके हेड की जो लेफ्ट साइड थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा swollen हो गई थी, बहुत ज़्यादा सूज गई थी. The left side of her head was swollen very badly and her black eyes turned into slits. Slits क्या होती हैं? Breaches, दरारें. उसकी आंखें बस इतनी ही खुल रही थी जितनी कोई दरार होती है, ब्रीच होती है. ठीक है, सोजन की वजह से, swelling की वजह से. She gave me a card she had made and she presented a card to her father, which she had made herself. On the front, she had drawn caricatures of Mary and me with the words. On the front of the greeting card, she had made some caricatures. She had the caricatures of Mary, and she had drawn the caricatures of Mary and the narrator. And some words were written. Here are some funny people. Did they make you laugh? और उसने क्या लिखा कि here are some funny people. And did they make you laugh? I laughed a lot as well. कि ये फनी लोग हैं और इन्होंने हमें बहुत हंसाया. ठीक है, तो क्या आपको हंसी आई? इस तरीके से उसने कुछ कैरिकेचर्स बनाए और उनसे अपने मम्मी पापा को उसने हंसाने की कोशिश की. ठीक है. Oh, how I love you both. So this card is to say thank you and let's hope for the best. Or inside the greeting card, a message was written for them. She wrote that she loved them both. She loved them deeply, and she was proud of having such parents. So this card is to say thank you, and that's why she had made that card to pay thanks to them, to say thanks to them. And she also wrote that they should have hope for the best. Somehow we had to make it and somehow they would succeed. इस तरह की बातें उसने लिखी. ठीक है. आई चेक. देखिए बच्चे, देखियो इन बच्चों का जज्बा देखना आप, है ना, कि कितने छोटे थे. 6 years 7 year के बहुत छोटे बच्चे होते हैं. तो इन्होंने जो है बहुत ही मेच्योरिटी दिखाई है, बहादुरी दिखाई है. वरना छोटे बच्चे के साथ कोई अगर प्रॉब्लम हो जाए, चोट उट लग जाए इस तरीके से, तो बहुत ही हैवॉक सा क्रिएट कर देते हैं, रेस्टलेसनेस शो करते हैं, है ना. पर इन बच्चों ने बहुत समझदारी दिखाई. आई चेक्ड and rechecked my calculations. So the narrator checked the calculations again, and we had lost our main compass, and I was using a sphere which had not been corrected for magnetic variation. Actually, they had lost their main compass, and the narrator was using an extra one. Actually, this extra one required some variation. किसका वेरिएशन होना था उसमें? मैग्नेटिक वेरिएशन उसमें करना था. I made an allowance for this and another estimate of the influence of the westerly currents. And उसने यहाँ पर वो किया, स्पेकुलेशन किया. I made an allowance. Allowance means यहाँ पर स्पेकुलेशन के लिए है. For this and another estimate of the influence of the westerly currents, he made some speculation on the basis of his reading, and then he tried to speculate the influence of westerly winds, है ना, which flow through this part of the Indian Ocean. तो इनका उसने अंदाजा लगाने की कोशिश की. ठीक है. About 2 p.m. I went on deck and asked Larry to steer a course of 185 degrees. 2 बजे के आसपास वो गया, डेक पर गया, ऊपर गया. He went to the deck and asked Larry to steer a course of 185 degrees, and he instructed Larry to steer the ship at 185 degrees. If we were lucky, I told him with a conviction I did not feel. He could expect to see the island at about 5 p.m. And he told Larry that if they were lucky, they would reach the island at about 5 p.m. ठीक है, मतलब he showed belief, he showed conviction to Larry, saying that if they were lucky they would reach the island, but the reality was that he himself did not feel the conviction. उसको खुद ये विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था, लेकिन लैरी को उसने पूरे विश्वास से कहा कि अगर हम लकी हुए तो हम आइलैंड पर पहुंच जाएंगे. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि जब हम सामने वाले को कोई बात पॉजिटिविटी से कहते हैं तो उसकी हिम्मत बढ़ जाती है ना. तो बेशक चाहे कुछ ना हो, लेकिन फिर भी पॉजिटिविटी से तो बहुत शक्ति मिलती है. और उसने वो कन्विक्शन उसको अंदर से तो फील नहीं हो रहा था, विश्वास उसको अंदर से फील नहीं हो रहा था कि वो आइलैंड पे पहुंच जाएंगे, लेकिन उसने लैरी से पूरे विश्वास के साथ बोला. और वो देखिए विश्वास के साथ बोला, यानी उसको पूरा कॉन्फिडेंटली उसको बोला, हालांकि अंदर से उसको विश्वास फील नहीं हो रहा था, पर फिर भी उस कॉन्फिडेंस ने लैरी को कॉन्फिडेंस दिया और उससे उनका काम हो गया. ठीक है. देन विद हैवी हार्ट, और देन विद हैवी हार्ट क्या होता है? दुखी दिल से. आई वेंट बिलो. देन विद हैवी हार्ट ही वेंट बिलो, ही वेंट डाउन स्टेयर्स, climbed on my bunk, and he climbed on his bunk होता है जो shelf like bed होता है. He climbed on his bed and amazingly dozed off, and then he dozed off. फिर वो सो गया, नींद आ गई राइटर को. ठीक है. When I woke up, it was 6 p.m. When he awakened, it was 6 p.m. and growing dark, and it was getting dark. I knew we must have missed the island, and he thought that they had missed the island. They had crossed the island. उसको लग रहा था कि भाई आइलैंड तो क्रॉस हो गया, काफी लेट हो गया. ठीक है ना. And with the sail we had left, we could not hope to beat back into the westerly winds, and they could not dare to go back. ठीक है. टू बीट बैक इनटू द वेस्टर्ली विंड्स, उन पश्चिमी हवाओं को बीट करके वो वापस नहीं जा सकते थे. ठीक है. जो भी सेल उनके पास थी, उस सेल से वो वापस ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में अब यात्रा नहीं कर सकते थे. तो फिर क्या करना पड़ेगा भाई, देखते हैं. एट दैट मोमेंट अ टोजल्ड हैड अपीयर्ड बाय माई बंक. तो एट दैट वेरी मोमेंट कोई आया उसके पास. ये टोजल्ड क्या होता है? टोजल्ड मीन्स अनटाइडी हेड वाला, अनटाइडी बालों वाला, है ना. तो टॉजल्ड हेड केम नियर हिम. कैन आई हैव ए हग? जोनाथन आस्क्ड. और उसने क्या बोला कि ही सेड, मतलब इट वाज एक्चुअली द नरेटर्स सन. ये जोनाथन है. तो जोनाथन अपीयर्ड नियर हिम एंड ही सेड इफ ही कुड इम्ब्रेस हिम, कि क्या वो उसको इम्ब्रेस कर सकता था, गले लगा सकता था, है ना. Sue was right behind him, and Jonathan was followed by Sue. Why I'm getting a hug now? I asked. मैंने पूछा भाई क्यों, मतलब मैं इम्ब्रेस का हकदार, क्यों उसको गले लगाए जाने की बात की जा रही है, क्या किया है उसने ऐसा? Because you are the best daddy in the whole world and the best captain, my son replied. Then the narrator's son said that he really deserved a hug because he was the best father in the whole world. Not today, John, I'm afraid. And the captain said that he was not the best daddy that day. He could not save them. है ना? Why you must be? Then said Sue in a matter of fact voice. मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट मतलब अपनी रियल उसने आवाज में बोला. रियलिटी होती है मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट रियलिटी. अपनी रियलिटी को उसने जाहिर किया. कहती है अपनी रियल वॉइस में वो बोलती है कि ही मस्ट हैव प्राइड इवन दैट मोमेंट ऑल्सो. ठीक है. You found the island because he had found the island. What? I shouted. And on hearing it, the writer was surprised. ठीक है. बड़ा surprised हुआ वो. It's out there in front of us. They chorused. Both spoke together that it was in front of them, as big as a battleship, and it was looking like a battleship. एक battleship की तरह दिख रहा था ये. ठीक है. ये जो आइलैंड था किसकी तरह दिख रहा था? बैटल शिप की तरह. I rushed on deck and gazed with relief at the stark outline of Il Amsterdam. Then he went on the deck and he saw. Gazed होता है saw. अब उसने देखा. Gazed with relief. Relief के साथ at the stark. Stark means clear. He saw the clear outline of Il Amsterdam. He went on the deck and from there he saw clear outline of the island. It was only a bleak piece of volcanic rock. Actually it was a dark. Bleak होता है dark. Bleak means dark. Actually it was a dark piece of volcanic rock with little vegetation, and it had little vegetation means it had no vegetation. The most beautiful island in the world. Still it was the most beautiful island in the world. Students समझिए इसको. You may be asked a question here. Il Amsterdam was a dreary, you can say. Black is dreary, horrible. It was a black, or it was a dreary piece of volcanic rock, and it had little vegetation. Still, the island was the most beautiful island in the world. It was because that the voyagers had a ray of hope only on this island. Otherwise, they had lost all hopes while fighting against the sea. They would have drowned there. Okay, if they had not reached on this island, they would have drowned into the sea. So this island was the most beautiful island. However bad it was. चाहे कितना ही बुरा हो, पर ये बहुत अच्छा था उनके लिए तो. ठीक है. We anchored offshore for the night, and then they stayed there for the night. Night वहीं पर उन्होंने मतलब कोस्ट पर ही बिताई. उन्होंने एंकर कर दिया. एंकर क्या होता है? लंगर यूज करना. ठीक है. They anchored offshore and spent night there. And the next morning, all 28 inhabitants of the island cheered as they helped us ashore. And when it was morning, all the 28 inhabitants होते हैं निवासी, all the 28 inhabitants of the island welcomed them, and they helped them to get down. With the land under my feet again, my thoughts were full of Larry and Harvey. कहता है कि भाई पैरों के नीचे जमीन आ गई, और जमीन आते ही कहता है मुझे तो सबकी इनकी जैसे लैरी हर्बी और इनकी याद आई मुझे कि कितना इन्होंने सहयोग दिया, कितनी हिम्मत इन सब ने बनाए रखी. ठीक है. वास्तव में एक बहुत अच्छा सा मोमेंट था. तो ही फेल्ट दैट लैरी एंड हार्वी डिड अ लॉट फॉर हिम, and his mind was occupied with the thoughts of Larry and Harvey, and cheerful and optimistic under the direst stress. He felt that Larry and Harvey remained cheerful, positive under the serious stress, under the most serious stress, direst of the serious, and of Mary. And he also thought of Mary, who stayed at the wheel for all those crucial hours. He thought of Mary. He also appreciated Mary, who helped in navigation during those critical hours. ठीक है. Most of all, I thought of a 7-year-old girl who did not want us to worry about a head injury, and he was also obliged to his 7-year-old daughter, who did not disturb him a bit by reporting about her head injury, which subsequently took 6 minor operations to remove a recurring blood clot between skin and skull. And actually, this injury was not a petty one. Actually, later she had to undergo 6 minor operations to get rid of that clotting, recurring blood clotting, है ना. recurring भी appear again and again, बार बार होना. तो ब्लड क्लॉटिंग बार बार हो जाता था, और उससे जो है पीछा छुड़ाने के लिए उसने 6 बार मतलब उसको ऑपरेशन कराना पड़ा था. तो कोई छोटी चोट नहीं थी उसको. ठीक है. तो ये चीज़ भी देख करके राइटर को बड़ा अच्छा सा लगा कि इतनी छोटी लड़की थी और इतने अच्छे तरीके से उसने मतलब पापा का साथ दिया. ठीक है. एंड भाई बेटी तो बेटी होती है वैसे तो, है ना. क्यों. तो बेटी तो पापा को और ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझती है. खैर बेटा भी समझता. देखो अभी हम पढ़ेंगे. तो who did not want us to worry about a head injury, which subsequently took 6 minor operations to remove a recurring blood clot between skin and skull, and of a 6-year-old boy who was not afraid to die. And he was also full of appreciation for Jonathan, who was not scared of sacrificing his life if he could be with his family members, if he lost his life along with his family members. ठीक है. He was also only 6 years old. He was a very little boy, and he also showed extraordinary and exemplary courage and fortitude, that he didn't give in, that he didn't discourage his father. Rather than he increased his father's morale, he boosted his spirit. ठीक है. ये सब. Now the chapter is clear. I hope it is clear to all, and it is over.